It's sitting behind you right now, Tlee. Soft, plump, perfectly stitched, resting on your sofa, your bed, your favorite reading chair.
To you, it's just comfort, a finishing touch to a room, a soft detail nobody ever questions or looks twice at. But before it reached your home, that same cushion was something else entirely. A shirt, a pair of jeans, a jacket. A worn-out jacket someone dropped into a donation bin, thinking its story was over, was only just beginning.
Behind every luxury cushion you own, there's a hidden industrial journey, one most people will never see or imagine.
Cushions seem simple, but they shape how a room feels, how furniture supports us, how a house becomes a home.
Millions of cushions are sold every year, in homes, hotels, offices, and showrooms around the world, quietly essential everywhere.
What makes today's cushions interesting is where their materials come from, a story most buyers never think about.
As fashion brands and households discard old textiles at a staggering rate, a growing industry emerged to catch that waste.
That industry transforms unwanted clothing before it becomes landfill, turning it into premium filling and fabric for home goods.
This is where our journey begins, not with new cotton or fresh polyester, but with a mountain of unwanted clothes. The story now moves toward the loading bay, where trucks arrive daily, carrying the raw material for tomorrow's cushions.
Trucks pull in, packed tightly with enormous compressed bales of used clothing, ready to begin their transformation into cushions.
Shirts, sweaters, denim, and offcuts collected from donation centers and clothing manufacturers arrive together in tightly wrapped bales.
Each bale can weigh several hundred kilograms, wrapped tight after being gathered from collection points across the entire region.
Forklifts lift the bales off the trucks, stacking them onto the factory floor in neat, towering, organized rows. Neat, towering rows of clothing bales fill the factory floor, waiting patiently for their turn to begin processing. With intake logged and confirmed, the bales are cleared to move deeper into the factory for sorting and preparation. Workers and automated systems separate the bales by fabric type: cotton, polyester, wool blends too, since each behaves differently. Heavily stained or unusable pieces are pulled aside, keeping only quality fabric moving forward through the production process.
The remaining fabric passes through screening systems that shake loose dirt, lint, and debris built up over years.
Dust removal systems clean the fabric thoroughly, preparing it for the delicate processing steps still waiting further ahead. Now clean and free of contamination, the sorted fabric is ready to move toward the shredding stage of production.
Once cleaned, the garments are fed into industrial shredders, ready to be torn apart into loose fibrous material.
Sharp, rotating blades tear the fabric apart, turning full pieces of clothing into loose, fibrous shreds within seconds.
Loose, shredded fiber pours from the machine, soft and fluffy, ready to be blended into the perfect mixture.
Different fabric types are blended in careful ratios, designed to balance softness, durability, and a plush loft feel.
Too much of one material and the filling could feel flat. The right blend gives it a luxury feel.
The blended fiber mixture moves steadily onward, ready to be combed and aligned inside the carding machines ahead. The shredded fibers pass through carding machines, which comb and align them into a soft, workable material.
A tangled clump transforms into a light, fluffy mass of soft fiber, a liand, the raw building block of every cushion.
The carded fiber now shows an even, soft texture, aligned smoothly, and ready for the next transformation stage. The carded fiber now moves forward, entering the chamber where its true structural transformation is about to begin. The carded fiber moves into a thermal bonding chamber, where controlled heat softens certain synthetic fibers within the blend.
Heat causes synthetic fibers to soften and fuse slightly at their touch points, creating a stronger, more resilient structure.
Without this bonding step, filling would flatten permanently over time, losing the plush comfort every cushion needs. As the fiber passes through rollers and pressure zones, it's shaped into consistent, cloud-like sheets of soft filling.
With the filling ready, attention now turns toward preparing the outer shell that will hold it in place.
Recycled and woven fabric panels, often made from reprocessed cotton or polyester blends, are prepared for the outer shell. Automated cutting machines slice the recycled fabric into precise cushion cover panels, ready for the sewing line ahead.
The cut fabric panels are stitched into cushion covers on high-speed sewing lines, each seam precise and even. Freshly stitched cushion covers move steadily along the line, waiting to receive their soft internal filling.
Automated filling machines inject precise amounts of fluffy fiber into each cover, ensuring every cushion has equal plush firmness. At the sealing station, the final seam is stitched shut with reinforced thread, locking the soft filling securely inside. Rows of finished cushions move steadily along the conveyor, each one plump, even, and ready for inspection. With assembly complete, every cushion now moves toward the inspection line for its final round of quality checks. Sensors and manual checks test firmness and shape recovery, how quickly the cushion bounces back after pressure.
Inspectors examine each seam closely, verifying the reinforced stitching can withstand years of daily household use.
Anything that fails inspection is set aside, either reworked or recycled back into the material stream for reuse. This step protects the brand's reputation, guaranteeing that what reaches your home meets a consistent standard of comfort.
Approved cushions now move steadily forward, leaving inspection behind and heading straight toward the packaging line.
Robotic arms compress each cushion slightly, sealing it into protective plastic wrapping that keeps it clean and compact. Each wrapped cushion is sealed securely, protected and compact, ready for the labeling stage just ahead. Labels are applied with size, material composition, and care instructions, giving every cushion clear, essential product information. Cartons are formed, filled, and sealed by automated systems, moving at impressive speed to match daily production volume. Sealed cartons move steadily down the line, each one packed neatly and ready for the next stage of handling. Once boxed, the cushion cartons are stacked onto pallets, arranged neatly for the shrink wrapping stage ahead.
Pallets are shrink-wrapped for stability, prepared for their next move deeper into the facility toward storage.
The warehouse is a world of towering steel racks and quiet efficiency, holding thousands of finished cushions in reserve. Forklifts glide between aisles, placing pallets into designated slots tracked precisely by barcode scanners and inventory software.
Every pallet's location is logged in real time, allowing staff to know exactly what's in stock and where.
This organized storage system ensures nothing gets lost or delayed, keeping products ready for dispatch the moment needed. It's here that finished cushions wait briefly, resting on their pallets before their journey continues onward. When orders arrive, the loading docks come alive, and forklifts retrieve pallets from storage toward waiting trucks. Pallets move steadily toward waiting trucks and shipping containers, guided precisely by dispatch software and coordinated systems. Conveyor systems and dispatch software coordinate the flow, matching each shipment precisely to its intended destination.
Some pallets head to regional distribution centers, others directly to retail warehouses across the country or overseas.
Trucks, cargo ships, and rail systems each play a role, depending on distance and demand for the cushions.
This is the moment the product leaves the factory's control and enters the wider marketplace as a finished good.
Cushions are arranged on staged furniture sets, styled thoughtfully to look inviting and natural for every visiting customer. That evening, it's placed on a couch, ready to become part of someone's daily comfort and routine. It becomes part of daily life, just like it always was, back when it first began this journey. From a forgotten piece of clothing to a symbol of comfort, nothing truly has to end, only begin again.